did you know not only should you be using virtual tours, but also you can be charging for it as well. So make sure you speak to Tom at Virtual Tours Creator. Now, in my new book, the PMB Script Secrets, just go to pmbscriptsecrets.com. The book is free, just pay for shipping. I've got 34 different fees and fee packages in the back of the book that's charged over Australia, New Zealand, and the United States, and what agents are getting for them as well. But now in fee number 16, we've got the virtual tour marketing fee. It's not hard to show the value because you can rent property quicker than your competitors just doing boring photos by using virtual tours. Again, speak to Tom. But the agents that we've seen are charging anywhere from $70 up to $300. You think, well, how can you justify $300 for a virtual tour? Well, it's easy, because if the rent is $700, $800, or $600 a week, and you're showing how you can possibly rent it, say, 2 weeks faster than your rivals using boring photos, or what the average time it takes for the market to rent property, you're showing that. Well, you show them how you save $1,500, $1,000 or whatever, $200 or $300 in comparison to what that loss can be. It is now proving the value of your fee. So not only use virtual tours, but also make sure you're charging for them as well. Get the book, but also make sure you speak to Tom at Virtual Tours Creator. Take care.